Now we're going to work on solving 1 and 2-step equations. This is the Algebra 1 prerequisite for Standard 3. So what's the goal here? Well, the goal is to get the variable by itself. Basically, you take the inverse of what is being done to the variable. Inverse operations undo each other. So if we're looking at some operations, addition and subtraction undo each other, so they're called inverse operations, and multiplication and division undo each other, so they're also called inverse operations, or inverses of each other. Now, when we're going to solve an equation, we're going to undo order of operations. So, we're going to look at our PEMDAS, but we're going to do it backwards. We're going to start with addition and subtraction, then division and multiplication, and then exponents and parentheses. In 1 and 2-step equations, though, we'll just be dealing with multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So for 3x plus 2 equals 23, we're using our order of operations backwards, so we're going to start at the bottom here. We've got an addition. We don't have a subtraction. So we're going to undo the addition first by subtracting, because they're inverse operations. That gets rid of our 2 on the left side and gives me 21 on the right. So then 3x, a number next to a letter always means multiplication. So the opposite of multiplication would be division. So to undo that, we're going to divide both sides by 3. Here we don't change signs. So 21 divided by 3 is 7, and x will be equal to 7. So let's look at another example. So if we have negative 2y minus 7 is equal to 3, again, we're going to do our order of operations, but backwards. So we're going to get rid of the addition or subtraction first. We have a minus 7 here, so we're going to add 7 to both sides. That'll leave us with negative 2y equals 10. Again, a number next to a letter means multiplication, so to undo that, we're going to divide. When we divide both sides by negative 2, now we're left with y equals negative 5. The variable's by itself, so we have completed the problem. Let's look at one more example. Here we've got 3 equals negative 3c plus 9. Some of you might be uncomfortable with that variable on that right side. It's okay, leave it there. We're just going to move some stuff to the other side this time. Again, we have a plus 9 here, so to undo that, we're going to subtract 9 from both sides. That leaves us with negative 6 equals negative 3c. Again, a number next to a letter means multiplication, so to undo that, we're going to divide both sides by negative 3. Negative 6 divided by negative 3 gives us a positive 2. It's okay that it does not say c equals 2. Leave it alone. Let it say 2 equals c. There's nothing wrong with that. That equal sign means it's the same on both sides, so let's leave it that way. Now you try. Here are 6 problems to try. Hit pause. Once you've solved them all, hit play, and the answers will pop up. Good luck.